How you doing? My name is Mike Ulrich. I'm here today with MarineMax Venice, and today we're able to do a walkthrough on the all-new Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. Come aboard and let's get started. Starting off on the transom of this boat, you're going to see a lot of major differences that you had from the previous 270 Dauntless. For starters, of course, this one is offered with twin engine, but you can get the joystick feature. So you have a couple different options for twins. You can start with the standard smallest, which is going to be twin 200s. You can do twin 200, twin 225, 250, or max out with the twin 300s. You can also equip this boat in a single engine application, being a 350 or a 400. Right here on the transom, similar to the 27, but you're going to have some differences. So you can drop this down and have the large casting platform, cup holders, rod holders located right on the back. Open it up, you do have that nice high back seat that's really popular when you got a lot of passengers underway. Over on the side, they've given you a live well. So on the previous 270, you had a bench seat across the full back. Now you're gonna have a nice live well integrated right into the side. Now that's one of the standard options for the live wells on this boat. You can also get the other one, which is going to be located right here in the back of the seat. So for the seating options on this boat, this is going to be the deluxe leaning post with live well. Over on the side, you are going to have your freshwater sink, but there's a couple other configurations that you can get. So you can get it with the live well, or you can get the deluxe leaning post with storage. So removing the live well is going to give you two big storage areas, or you have the third option, which is going to be for the gyro setup. That's right, this boat is optioned with a gyro seakeeper that you can get included on this as an option for this model. This one is optioned with the swim patio option, which was a very popular feature. Nice and wide, easy access, so it's awesome when you're hanging out at the sandbar in this boat. You can step down, be in the water, use this as a prep station, a bar, tabletop, anything like that, or it's nice when you're hanging out, swimming with the kids. They can jump on and off. It gives you another point of access on the boat when the ladder deploys off to the side. Coming over to the helm on this one, there's been a lot of upgrades. So first, the big noticeable one is the full enclosed windshield with the vent up top. This is an option on the boat, so if you like the half windshield and you want that breeze in your face at all times, you can of course still do that, but it's nice having the full enclosure, which really makes a difference on those rougher days. Down here in the helm, you'll notice that this one has Simrad. No longer Ray Marine coming from Boston Whaler. This one is the single 16. You got a couple different options. Standard on this boat is actually going to be a single 12. You can upgrade to twin 12s or go with the single 16 as this one is shown here. Up on the dash, you're going to have some nice SeaDeck, wireless charging pad, compass of course, and you're going to have your USB and charging ports as well. Located below your electronics, you're going to have all your rocker switches, of course, in true Whaler fashion. Nice and easy, all labeled, easy to tell if they are on or off, and in perfect reach for the driver. So in the head compartment on this boat, it is much, much larger to the previous 270. It's a lot deeper. There is actually a step for easing getting down in there. A little bit more comfortable to use, but even if you're not using it, it is an area awesome for large storage. Coming into the front of the boat, you are still going to have the nice large sun pad that you're going to have on the previous Dauntless models. Drop down armrests on either side with the cup holders below. This is a lockable compartment, so you can have a little bit of security in there, but they changed up the inside a little bit. So on here, you'll notice that box that's located right there. What that is, that's actually your battery compartment for the trolling motor setup on this. The batteries aren't exposed and you're not losing space inside your head compartment. Everything goes on there. It's a nice shelf that closes so you can still utilize the storage on top of it. You'll notice on the front end of this boat, of course, you do have the nice flip-up lounge seats on both sides that have been ever so popular. Easy to pick up and deploy, easy to close down. Seats and cushions are completely removable, so if you want to go out and use this boat in true whaler fishing fashion, you can absolutely do that and not worry about getting in your cushions dirty. So another great thing that they did is you'll notice, so it's a completely different front end on the front of this boat compared to the previous 270. On the previous 270, you had a seat right in the front, so to access your anchor ladder or beach boarding ladder, which is now an option on this, both integrated with the windlass. You can sit right here, have easy access to it. You don't have to put your knees in the seat and lean over. Here it opens up nice and easy. And like I said, on the previous 270, you could not have both the windlass and the beach boarding ladder. They went ahead and integrated both of them into this, similar to how they did on the new 240 and 280 Vantage series. So that's it. That is my quick video walkthrough on the all-new Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. For more information, you can reach us at either our Cape Haze location or right here at our Venice location. Again, my name's Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.
in audio.